Hi guys, welcome back once again to this episode of Cambase channel. Before we move on, I want to draw your attention on something that may help some people who want the videos to be translated into other languages. I want to show you here the CC, the closed caption. I mentioned it already in one of my videos, and here again I want to draw attention on the fact that you can actually translate the language of the video into several languages. Here, like this is the closed caption, the CC, so it's now off. So when I press here, it will be on. That is it. Here I made it auto-generated French. So when you put it on, you come to settings. So settings, you see in settings you see here start out of French auto generated. When you press here, it will bring you here. So it will show you French auto generated auto translate. So when you click on auto translate, it will bring you all the languages you can actually translate the language of the video into. So you can see all the languages are here. From here, Afrikaans, Albania, or Arabic, or there are plenty languages YouTube has made available to for the video to be translated into. You see, they are all here. Plenty, Hausa, Greek, all the plenty language, Japanese, a lot of languages you can actually translate the video into. So if maybe you want the video to be translated in your own language, so here is the option. You can do that and have it in your language so that you can understand what the video is about. So pour nos frères francophones, je dis donc que pour avoir la langue de la vidéo traduite en d'autres langues, il suffit d'activer le sous-titre closed caption here, ici. Vous activez ça ici. Une fois que c'est activé, vous venez sur settings ou bien paramètres, et puis vous cliquez sur CC et ça vous amène ici. Vous cliquez sur auto translate ou bien auto traduction et ça vous donne les langues. Donc merci et restez connectés. Hello fellow affiliate marketers, welcome to this tutorial. Amazon Associate program, that is affiliate marketing. Amazon is the number one when it comes to e-commerce. The one number one e-commerce platform, and their affiliate program is kind of appreciable. You get to make money through this if you are really active with affiliate marketing. All the resources are available for their products and services. Once you get your affiliate link, whatever you want to market, being a physical product or digital product that you want to market, they make available resources like template or marketing material, images, videos that you can actually join to your link in order to promote them and get your commission. So to go straight to the point, first of all, you grab the link. When you grab the link below this video, you land on this page, this screen. So I have two links down there. One for the program in US, that's United States. That's for the English speaking people, and I have another link which for the French speaking people. So when you grab the link, whichever you grab, you fall on a page like this. This page, for instance, is for the United States one. You can see it's Amazon.com. For the French one, it will be Amazon.fr. So it's the same screen you see when it is French. Like here, baby registry. In French, you see liste de naissance. Baby registry. In French, you see liste de naissance. Here, create a baby registry. So here, in French, you see créer une liste de naissance. So that is it. We'll have to now go on to the steps. So what's going to happen is that if you grab the link and then you land on this page, first you create your baby registry. After creating your baby registry, you now use that registration to connect with the affiliate program platform. So that is where you start marketing the product and getting your commission while you are sleeping. So let's quickly dive into it. So here to start, you have to enter create a new baby registry. So it has taken me to this page, like sign in, but we are not signing, we are creating an account. So you click here, create your Amazon account. Great. So here we put our name, my name, put my name, then the mobile or email. Let me put the mail here. Let me put the mail here. The mail here. Let me put Nairo 2021 at gmail.com. Then I choose a password. Let me choose a password. Enter the password. Then send verify. So definitely, I think they will send me some OTP. Yes, I have to check my mail and enter the OTP. So let me go to my mail quickly and look for the OTP. Right, so I'll enter the OTP 197 and create the account. right? Now we have to continue with this expiry arrival date. So expected arrival date. So this expected arrival date is just like a baby. You are expecting a baby because we say baby registry. So Amazon through this program allow us to create a list, like to create a baby registry, meaning that maybe you are expecting a baby in 2, 3, 4 months or even 1 year. Even 1 year you can put it there. It's acceptable, but this is how it goes, so that you have things just like you prepare the baby some gift, and at the same time you have a link to actually promote Amazon product. So here arrival date, they give us 12 May 2021, which we have at the back. So we need to change this date to a future date. Let's put it like 2022 or even 2023 if possible. Yes, let's put it that way. Okay, is this your first child? You can say yes, this is my first child. Where should we send your gift? So select the address. Allow gift to be shipped to my address from all sellers. Okay, let's see if you can put an address there. So here we are. You can add the address. So let me add first the phone number. Then street address or PO box. Let me put this PO box there. Let me put this PO box. PO box and put one. Let me use robots SK SK 29. Put behind market. So city, I can put Accra. I can put here. Then select the state. I'll put Ghana. The state. Okay, because I choose to be I choose to be in US, so it's kind of limited to US. Okay, I think I made a mistake. Address. Yeah, change the country. Yes, change the country. Then you put your full name. Your full name. That is my name, so I'll take a PO Box SK 209 your box here. Put the apartment or the suite here. And the city. Here. The state of Ghana. Detroit. Phone number, that's what we put initially. Let me take it again. Add the address. Good, so the address is there. So allow gift to be shipped to my address from all sellers. So if someone, like through our link, want to buy something and doesn't have maybe an address to be for the thing to be shipped, you can use this our address. They can ship things directly to the person through our address, so we'll let the person know when it arrives. Gift option, yes. Register for Amazon gift card, yes. Register for Amazon, yes. Register for a diaper fund, if possible you can register for that. Allow group gifting for all gift price over 200, you can allow that. And then you continue. Who can see my registry? Public. My registry is searchable on Amazon.com, so it can be public. Or if you include my registry on no, we are not interested in this as to public. Share only with a link can shared. Only people with a link can see the registry. Yes. So if someone gets your link, can see. So share. You don't even want to share private. Only you and co-registrant can see. So it should be public. Accessible on Amazon. That's all. So email option. Give alerts when items are purchased. You have the alert when you purchase something. Baby raise email you data exactly. So type the characters you see in the image here. So we just have to type this. Type this. This, and then you create your baby registry. Oh, you can see the name here, Favor. So your account, orders, recommendation, browsing, rewards, total, everything is here. So you can log out. If you want to log out from this, you can log out from this. So that is your account, your list. Create a list, find a list of registry. If you have some list already, you can find it through this link, Amazon Smart Charity list. So that is what you have in your account. So if we click on this, for instance, account, we see the detail, our detail that we use to create the account. So the account, your orders. If I have orders to be here, orders. I have no others. C 0 place order. We have here login and security. Have this our detail. So my name, email address, phone number. Why add the phone number? When I already said it, add the phone number. So if I like, I can add the phone number. I add the phone number here. Password, yes. Two-step verification, setting extra security. Yes, you can set up this two-step verification to avoid your account being tampered. So secure your accounts. If you think your Amazon account has been compromised, follow these steps to make your account more secure. So if you get to know if there is any phishing or any suspected activity that you through your mail, you receive a message that someone has logged in or something somewhere, then you take measures to address that. So this is it. We press login and see Prime view benefit and payment settings. So this benefit and payment settings, gift card, your payment, your profile, your devices and content, everything, your messages and blah blah blah, archive others. That is it. So again, my profile here, let's check the profile. So we have this is my name. Click on it. See the profile. Have it. That is all what we created. So account holder, that's my name. Enroll program. This program is enrolled in the following Amazon program. Type a program to customize program settings. Okay. So we'll go to our program and see what we can customize. So that is it. When you register, so Prime view benefit and payment settings. So favor, we are giving you a free 30-day trial of Prime, free delivery, award-winning TV, exclusive deals, and more. Only $12.99 per month plus tax after trial. Cancel anytime. Explore other plans. So try Prime free for 30 days. So this when you first register with the affiliate program. So there are some activities, some let's say service or program that you can enjoy for the whole month. Like for instance, if I want to read Audible books, so I can do that. Kindle, I can do that. I can download some movies and go and to watch. So I have this free 30 days to actually enjoy some services. Great. So like I was saying, so after you register, what's going to happen that you sign out. So I mentioned it in the beginning. First of all, you register your baby registry. You have to register with the link that you click on below this video. So you come here, register your baby registry, and then you log out. After logging out, then we'll go to the affiliate program site, and then we'll connect there with our baby registry detail. So let's log out from here. Like I was saying, after the registration of the baby list or the baby registry, we have to move on to the affiliate program site. So but let's see what if we have some mail regarding what we just created. So I open on my phone, but just here to see what we have. Exactly this, the message, Amazon.com baby registry. So welcome to your baby registry. Congratulations on your new adventure. We are so glad you are here. Your Amazon baby registry gives you the widest range of selection for your family, friends, and yourself. Getting started is simple, and we are always here for you to build your registry. So you have this kind of message in your mailbox. and then you will click here to see how we can build a list if there is something we didn't add. So this where you can just quickly add it. So here they say create maybe it's not about creating. We created it already. If you want maybe you sign in. So with your mail. So I think here when you sign in, they'll ask you to add your phone number or something. So you add it to complete. If there is something, they'll prompt you to see if you are willing to complete it. So that said, let's come to the affiliate program where the good things happens. Okay, with that said, let's we tap Amazon. That'll be it. Amazon Associate. Amazon.associate. So here we tap Amazon.associate. Amazon.associate. Here we are. Exactly as you can see, affiliate-program.amazon.com. So at this point, here we have to connect our registry. So here we're gonna sign up here on this platform, the Amazon Associate. So this is the affiliate program site. So here we click on sign up. Click on sign up to finish some things. Okay, as you can see, it has already even because it has even brought my, as you can see, it has brought my detail, Favor, Hanu, BP, and everything is here already. So select different address. You can change your address here if you like. Then you continue. So who is the main contact for this account? The payee listed above, yes, me as the number. Or you change it here and then you go on. Or if you are doing it for someone, then you have to click here, someone else. I need to enter their information. So you can select someone else and then you put the person's detail. So here we continue with this, my detail. You click next. Next, you are on this page, creating your Amazon Associate account. So we are now creating our Associate account. So here you can see your website or mobile apps. So they are asking us for our website and mobile app. So here you enter your website address. I created some domain name. I purchased actually some domain name, but I've not got the website yet. So I can put that one here, like HTTPS. So HTTPS dot www.techicare.com/my blog, and then you add. Website name is incorrect here. I made a mistake here, so it's dot rather, and then here also it's no comma, it's dot. So add. You can see that it shall be added. So for the mobile app, I don't have mobile app, so you can. For the mobile app, you don't have mobile. I don't have mobile app, so you can leave here like that. Then you click on next. So your website and mobile app. Any of the website or mobile app listed above directly primary are children under 13. The website and mobile app are not eligible to display banners, widgets, special links, or other. You are required to declare this information. No, it's not for children. So you confirm. Wait. So the next step, you finish 2 steps. We are now in the third set, our profile here. So here what you do, they ask for what is your preferred associate ID. Your preferred associate ID. So I use Favor in that hand. So I can here you have to add your name plus a digit, like John 1 or John 2 or John 5. The figure that you yourself you like, 1 to 9. So or John 9. So I will take a small letter, put a small letter, you put Favor 1, put Favor 1 here. Then so at the end of the registration, the system itself will generate your ID for you. So this just an initial, so that the system will generate your ID. So you can see the blog website that I put here. It has been brought here. Mobile app, we don't have, you leave it. What are your website or mobile app about? So your website and mobile app, what are they about? What are they about? So you say it is your personal page. So here you put your personal page. So we say personal, it is personal page. Personal page. So your website or mobile app, what are they about? So personal page, that they are your page. So you continue, you come here. Which of the following topics? Yes, which of the following topics describe your website or mobile app? So you come here, the primary and the secondary. So we just focus on the primary, we leave the secondary. You select books. Then you can ignore this one. Yeah, you can ignore this, you don't need it. And then you say, what type of Amazon item do you intend to list on your website or mobile apps? So item you want to list. Actually, we are marketers, we are affiliate marketers. So we want to display, sell whatever we can sell from Amazon website. So you can select all these. Select all these. Select all these. Select all. Because you get a product in any niche, in any of the niches here that you may willing to actually market or sell. So you choose all the niches here or the categories here, then you move on. So next, say what type are your website or mobile apps? So type of website. So normally this we recommend blogs. So you take blog, because with blogs, when you are on your page, your blog page or your blog site, you can actually insert some widgets. After you put an article, there are spaces where you can actually insert the product image or the video or whatever. So we use blog here. Secondary, you can leave the secondary and move to traffic and monetization. Under traffic and monetization, here we are. So how do you drive traffic to your website? So see, pay search, email, shopping portal, offline, or all this one. The only way we can drop, if it's a blog, like we mentioned here, that blog, we want to use blog to sell the item. So here what you have to choose is that the traffic will come to from blogs. So you select only blogs, yes, traffic from blogs. Exactly. So then how do you utilize your website and app to generate income? So here you choose affiliate program only. Yeah, Amazon Associate is the only way I monetize my website. Exactly, that's the only thing you have to choose. So the second way, you leave that one. How do you usually build how do you usually build a link? How do you usually build links? So here you build links through this one, because we are into blog. So blog editor, Blogger, WordPress, and Typer. So here, that's how you can build a link to the product. So then you move on. How many total visitors do your website and app get per month? So you select the minimum one, 500 to 5,000. Less than 500 is not good, but you can choose the minimum to move on. So what is your primary reason for joining the Amazon Associate program? So your main reason for joining this one is to monetize your site. It's not get rich content to my format, no, it's to monetize your site. Exactly. So how did you hear about Amazon? You come here and then you only search, through search, only search. Exactly. Then so we get here, then you have to capture this into this box. So you agree to the operation agreement and you click to finish. Exactly, you can see. Congrats, Favor Medahano. Thank you for applying for the associate.com. Thank you for applying to the Amazon.com associate program. So this is the English version. So I talk about the French version also, which you have the link below the video. So we are now set. You can see the unique ID for me, 1 to 20. That is the unique ID for Favor. That is the unique ID. The unique ID for Favor, that is it. So this is the ID we are actually going to put maybe into our link to sell the products or the services of Amazon. So you see there will be some products or there will be some services that will come with your ID embedded, but there are some. For instance, maybe they will tell you that you should add your ID. So here you add this one into the link, so that when someone click and go to buy something, you get your commission. So you have for Amazon Associate, the commission is from 1% to 15%, depending on the product that you actually sell. So that is the commission. But Amazon makes it possible for you to actually get some reward by referring others, like your friends, family members, and whoever is interested in doing business with Amazon. You can give them your link, just like I'm sharing it with you here. You give them your link. First of all, your baby registry list, where your ID will be embedded. They will register through you. After registering on the baby registry, they will now go to the affiliate program, which is Associate Amazon. They'll go to the Amazon Associates site. This one, for example, they'll come here, then they'll finish their registration and get their ID. So their ID is what is going to do the whole thing. So you may occasionally need to provide your associate ID to verify your account with us. That's what I was telling about. I was talking about. Your application will be reviewed shortly after we have referred qualified sales to Amazon. In the meantime, you have been granted the full access to Associate Central 24 hours a day. So full time you have to. If your affiliate links have not referred qualified sales, after 180 days, your application and access to Associate Central will be withdrawn. So that is within 6 months, you have to refer sales, qualified sales. Other than that, your link will be withdrawn. So don't forget, get let out of the conversation, follow associate on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter. We share tips, tutorials, trending promotions to help you succeed in the program. So you just have to follow Amazon on this site: Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Twitter, so that you can get updated on the tutorials and whatever is trending, like product or whatever that you know. So enter your payment and tax information. This is for people who are actually in the US, based there. So if you have any tax information, any tax ID, you just have to enter it here. So when I press now, it will take me to a page where I have to enter the tax ID. And here we'll make it later, and we go. So here is the interface of the associate program or the affiliate program site. So you have here change country. You can change the country if you want to move, switch to maybe UK. You can do that, and or another country. You can do that here. So change language. You can change your language here into French if you like. You can change the language. Account setting, tracking ID, and sign out. So they are all here. For that one, you click here, you see the account setting and exactly sign out all there. So this is where we are going to take our products from a market, whatever we can market them, either on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Reddit, Pinterest, PT Share, whatever, all platforms that we know that we can get this product sold. We just have to grab the product and go there. So here we have product link. You can see here, you grab the product link, you come here to grab your product. So product link, banners, exactly, native shopping ad, mobile, pop over, link, and any page. So our interest is here, product links. So you click here, you get the product links, you click here. So you can see my ID is still there. Important, before we can pay you, you must have your tax information. That's what I was saying. So but it's not for us. Now before you can pay, you must also have your payment information. Please, you know this message if you no. So payment information in here is very important that you have to add. For the payment information, this is very important. You must add that one. So payment information, your associate account, password, the payment information. Okay, payment information, charge your contact, no, change payment method. Yeah, we click on the payment method, change payment method, so that we can add something. So you have to enter your password. Change the payment method. Enter the mobile number, send OTP. Your mobile number, post verification. Okay, I've done that already, so let me just enter it. Let me enter it here. I'll have an OTP that I'll some OTP sent to my phone. Wait, continue. Here we are. So that's how we are coming to add the payment method. So see, if you can, you notice here, are you monetizing international traffic? You can now receive earnings in an international bank account. Click here to learn more. So if you have international bank account, I think international bank account, is it Payoneer or something? I have not used that because at the time I was creating, let's see if there is some international bank accounts here. Yes, this is receive international in your local bank account. Okay, so I think they pay me directly deposit United States. Okay, so that is for international. If you have bank account, I think Payoneer or something work with this. I've not taken my time to go through that. If you get here, you can just take your time, go through it and see. But let's add just what is actually working for us. You can put pay me by check. Yes, pay me by Amazon.com gift card. You can receive gift card, and that one minimum is $10. So once you have commission of $10, you just send you a gift card that you can use to purchase any other things or even exchange. So or pay me by direct deposit. Direct deposit, that is what I was saying. Direct deposit to be account. Here we take pay me by check. So once you reach, and this one the minimum is $100. So once your reach is you reach $100, Amazon will contact you and then they will send you the check directly to your to you through DHL. That they have bank partners here. In each country they have bank partners. Wherever they are, they have bank partners. You just have to go there and take your money. So we select pay me by check, then we pay me by check. Your check will be sent to your contact address exactly. So minimum $100. You can even change it there, but let's make it 50 here. Let's make it 50 here, so that when you get $50, you can receive your payment. Okay, the minimum I think is 100. So we submit it. Okay, fine. Payment information updated successfully. That is it. So once you done this, the next thing is the product links. How to get the product link and market them. So for instance, search or Amazon.com. So you have to search for product or for AI or ASIN or ISBN. You know, some product they have this kind of ID identification according to where they were manufactured from. So here let's just select something in automotive. We even have clothing and accessory here. You can also check something here. Okay, so you have all this. You can choose from any categories here. Then they will come and then you choose. But let's just for instance take this product. Let's take this boot for example. Okay, link. Exactly. So for that product, yes, what we click on worth $14, 40 pesos. So what is going to happen here is that you have customized link, open link in the new window, show border and whatever. So these are some of the background color that you can have for this product. Right now it's the white, so you can change the background color. Fine. Now what is important here is the link. So as you can see, get HTML code
for this product link. So this many plenty, you can see plenty. This is the highlight, this is the HTML, but we want a short link. So we want a short link. So what you have to do is that if you click here, you get here is text and an image. So you have the text like this HTML, you have it, and then you have the image of the product also. But here we have text. We just need the text. So when we send it there, then the image will come on top. So we need this one, for instance, text only, or even image only. If you want the image only, you can get the image only. But note that your ID is already embedded in everything that you are doing here. Your ID is embedded, so you don't have any problem. So that is it. Okay, fine. So like I was saying, our interest here text only. So with the text only, you see that the HTML is first here, plenty. We don't want that. The standard link also, we don't want that, is plenty. So you get the short link, the short one. That's the short link, exactly this one. So this item that I show you, the boots, the item is this one. Everything is there. Your ID is there, so you have no problem. Just have to copy this one and add some small text to say, oh, this is what is the name of this is the name of the product, Dickies Men's Dry Tech Moisture Control Krill Socks multi-pack black 6 pair. So it's socks, Krill socks. So when you go to it, you see the benefits, or you see the features of the socks. Here is it. So the socks, these are the features: 78% cotton, this and that, imported, machine wash, soft breathable, moisture control, fibers, and air compression, support and stability, ventilation. So you see all the benefits or the features of the items are here. So once you grab your link, for instance, once you grab your link, this link, so you just have to copy the link. For instance, I'll copy the link, and then I'll go to a platform, let's say Facebook, a group with 200,000, 500,000 people present there, and then you know that, oh, this kind of people, they may like this item. You understand? Maybe how to master blockchain system in 1 month, or how to trade in cryptocurrency. So you have all that kind of book or things here that you can grab, and then when you grab the link, you go maybe wherever you are. You can let's say it is Accra market or Lagos market. This kind of group, there are plenty on Facebook. You go, if you have Instagram page, you go there, you paste the link there with the product, and then you are good to go. So let me paste the link here. And then you see. So you see what I was talking about. So the link is here, and then the product comes with the link. You see. So the product is here. It's socks. So socks for that you wear for shoes. So socks. So the link is here. So what I will do, I will say, for instance, let me. Just want to bring this one down small. Let me put something like this is 78% cotton, base socks, base socks, 78% cotton made. It makes you feel comfortable, make you feel comfortable all day long. Please click on the link below to grab yours now. So if maybe Amazon is running a promotion like 50% or 40% or whatever percent, you can just put it there. Please click on the link below to grab yours now before the promotion end, or before even you put clicker. Anyway, this product you can get this product and save 50% on the price now as promotion is going on, or grab this product half of the price before it gets out of stock. Please click on the link below to grab yours now. So you yourself, you find some fine words that you put here, then you place your here some emoji here to direct to the link. Take some emoji here, exactly, then I'll put the link here. So you see, just come with the product. So you see, that is how it is. So just the link, the short link, you have your ID embedded, and then you have the product embedded. So when you paste it everywhere, you come here, you paste it, you go to your page or the groups that you know they are interested in the product, you just paste them over there, and then you are done. All the people who are interested in this product, they are going to click on the link, they are going to check how it is, and then definitely you get some sales, and then you make money. So that's how the associate program for the product, how you can get the link, short link, and then start marketing. So I'll leave it there. Let me talk about, I was mentioning how you can get, let me type something here to see if I can get that one in the box. Okay, let me type something there, like I want to search for cryptocurrency. Let me type cryptocurrencies. Let me type cryptocurrencies and see what will happen. Cryptocurrencies. This is not great. Cryptocurrency. And go. So you see, cryptocurrencies investing for dummies. Cryptocurrency explain. You understand? So blockchain, bubble, and revolution, the future of Bitcoin, blockchains, and cryptocurrency. So you have this kind of things here that people will easily buy. See, cryptocurrencies explain $0.99 That is the price. You send it there, you get like 100 people or whatever people they buy it, you get your commission. Then you move on. So cryptocurrencies explain. Nowadays everybody wants to know what is a cryptocurrency or blockchain. You have another product here, blockchain. These are the digital products or books. Some are digital products, you open, you read, but this one I think they are book. They are books they will send to you and then you read. Blockchain bubble and revolution. Here, cryptocurrency for beginners, $9. The basis of Bitcoin and blockchain. An introduction to cryptocurrencies and the technology that powers the cryptography, crypto trading. So you have this kind of thing you can actually market. Nowadays, people are willing to understand, learn about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, blockchain. So you can market this one and you get your commission. Imagine this one, for instance, cryptocurrency for beginners. Oh, this one, cryptocurrencies explain. Let's click on it and see what is there. So cryptocurrencies explain. Buy 09 more. This is the latest ERC. Various below the documentary special interest. English. So by ordering or viewing, you agree to. So this is the product. You create a watch party to watch and chat with others. So this based outside of US, some title might be unavailable in your current location. Go to Prime Video to see the video catalog available in Ghana. Okay. So because I'm Ghana, they are directing me that some content may not be available, some title not be available. So I should go to here to see what is available for my country. So that's what I'm saying. So this, for instance, is like share right feedback. So So exactly, who is watching pyramid? So this is kind of cryptocurrencies explained. I think this kind of video or something, you purchase it and then they will send it to you. So you see, they will send it to you, and then that's what I'm saying. So you grab this link, for instance, and then you market it. You see, it's not even, it does not even cost less than $1, or let's say $1. So if you get 100, 200 people purchase this one at a Goa, which is easy. I mean, anyone can just purchase this one and just understand, try to understand cryptocurrency, So you can do this and you get your commission easily, So that is, you get the link here. You get the link here. Get link. You see, get link. So like I was saying, you have the options to take the HTML or the short one. So this is the cryptocurrency explained. So the link to sell, you don't know, just so that is this. So this is here. So the short link is what I showed. You just have to come here, click on shortlist, copy it, and then go wherever, any platform you want to market it, then you market it there. So that is how the product works. That is Digi product, and that is Digi product. For the physical product, it's the same thing. Just have to type the product you want. If I want, like let's say wipes. Let me type wipes to see these cryptocurrencies. Let me type wipes. This is that see, wipes is a physical product. Wipes. Let's see what come up. See, these are the wipes: baby wipes, water wipes, original baby wipes, Huggies and Pampers, this baby wipes, this Amazon brand Solomon disinfecting wipe, this disinfecting wipes, lemon scent. With this coronavirus and coa, that we are actually encouraged to use wipes all the time, so that we can sanitize our hands and whatever. So you can actually market this kind of wipes. Also, just have to grab the link, like I showed it right now. Grab the link and then go and market on any platform. If you have a website, why not? You grab the link, you visit there, your website, and then it will pop up with the image, and then you are good to go. So that is how you market the product on Amazon Associates. So apart from that, there are some other things that you can actually market. Some subscription to some services program. Let's say promotion, Amazon Bounty, Amazon promo, Amazon Bounty. I think in Amazon Bounty you have a whole list of other things that you can actually do. Here we are for Amazon Bounty program. Then fees, commission, the bounty, yes, bounty. When your visitors sign up for valuable services or program, that's what I was talking about. So Amazon has all these kind of services. You see wedding list, wedding registry. So if you refer someone and the person sign up on the wedding registry because maybe the person is planning wedding for someone or himself or a family member or whoever, then they need some list for their wedding. So whatever the person purchases through your link, you get commission. Even if you refer the person alone through your link, the person will register. As you can read it here, visitor, when they sign up, you have a bounty. Exactly. So someone you refer, you sign up, just sign up, you get some bounty. I think $5, $3, up to 10 or 15. So you get that bounty for the person just signing up. Before, if the person purchase again, you get your commission. So that is it. Then you have Prime, that's another service. You have Music Unlimited. So music lovers, when you refer someone, the person who register, you get the bounty. With the person, you get the bounty, because Amazon makes it even easier for someone to easily register. What happens is that when you register, you have 1 month free, 1 month trial to these services: Prime Music, video, wedding, audible books, family, and baby race. So if you refer someone, the person have this 1 month free to try. Just like when I registered with Favor, you see I have 30 days free free services, free time to 30-day free time to actually enjoy the services or the services, not to have a product free. No, this kind of Amazon services, the bounty program. So so when you refer someone, the person just register, you have $5. They vary up to whatever Amazon. The Amazon bounty program offers fees, commissions. That is it. Bounty when visitors try and sign up for valuable services and program. The bounty is triggered when you visitors complete an action that is part of the program. For example, if you direct your user to the If you direct your user to the Prime Video link and they sign up, you will receive the bounty. You see, so that is how the bounty actually works. So you have Amazon Video, audible books, you have the wedding list, you have family, you have Amazon Business. Yes, business also. There is a program like that. when you go through all that, you get it. So get started integrating tools and tips. So you have all that available bounties, recommended offers. I mean, that is Audible book here. It is a candle. There's another bounty program. You see, another bounty program. So you get the link, then you go. You get the link, you go. You can get the banner in addition to the link, so that you can market them. So that is it. This Audible book and the Audible book. This is the baby registry. Create Amazon baby registry. You refer someone to your link, the person create the registry. You get, I think, $1.5 for the baby registry. You get some $1.5. The other service they are $3, $5, and I think the maximum is $7 or so. So that is the available bounties. Okay, see all bounties. Let's click on see all bounties, and we wrap it up. So available bounties. What is new? Audible Plus, Prime Wardrobe, Prime Bounty monthly offering. So these are the bounty available. So that is the Prime. Start 30 day free, like what I was saying. If someone sign up 30 day free, you get your commission. You see, so all the bounties, I think they listed them here. Try Audible Plus, $5 bounty for each qualified Audible Plus free trial, $10 bounty for each qualified Audible Plus free membership. You understand? So if bounty, if I refer someone, so if I refer someone, the someone sign up, I have that bounty. So if the person is a pay membership, so $10, that is the meaning of that. So category books and textbooks for this Audible Plus. This Amazon business account, what I was talking about, earn $15 for a successful registration of an Amazon business account. Exactly. So when someone reads an Amazon account, I refer someone reads an Amazon account, I get $15. There you go. This is to allow you for office, stationeries, and whatever you purchase, you get this kind of commission, commission and facility. You have, this is Amazon you love. It is the Amazon you love for work. Make workplace procurement easier with convenient delivery options. You see, simplify purchasing workflow, multiple payment options, and a competitive marketplace with business-only pricing and quantity discounts. Anyone who makes purchase for work, example, procurement specialist, office administration, IT, and etc., can create a free account for their business. Customer must be from a verified business in order to successfully create the Amazon business account. So before you create this one, it should be from a business, because you are going to enter the business detail and whatever they will ask you. But that is it. Once you do this, you get amazing discounts for your stationeries or office item. So this is another bounty. 1, 2, 3. Try Prime discounted monthly offering, another bounty. So when you get here, you read all of this, and then you can see whichever you can actually market, you can sell. Maybe you are a blogger in certain niche, so it will help you to actually know exactly which niche or which type of service here you can market on your blog post. So you see, candle. This is also a book that you can actually flip and read. Then we have Amazon Prime, another thing. Earn fees advertising fee when your visitors sign up for this. So $3 for free trial. When someone sign up, you get your free trial. So the member program offers special benefit, including instant watch thousands of movies and TV episodes. Borrow Kindle book. So this is the the service the person will enjoy. That is Amazon Prime. Yeah, that is it. And they give the gift of Amazon Prime. So this one to another service, 8 bounty for every purchase you drive there. So they are here. Amazon Wedding Registry, like I said, Audible gift membership, all this one. You just have to go to and see what you can market. Understand? So this is it. Join Amazon Prime Music. They are all here. These are the bounties. Join Amazon Prime, 1,000 of movie, TV show. All they are here. Prime Student, another bounty program. Prime Student 6-month trial, earn 3%, and $3 bounty for every qualifying trial sign up you drive. You see, shop Amazon, create an Amazon baby registry, $3 when a visitor creates a registry. So you have all this that you can actually market with Amazon. Just grab the link and you are good to go with nothing. $0, nothing. All you have to do here, just sign up, give you the link. The link, I said it, is below this video. Grab the link, do your baby registry. From there you go to the associate program, register, get your ID, and you are good to go. 0 fee. You have to pay nothing, absolutely nothing, and the only thing is you be able to drive traffic to the product you want to sell, and you start making your money online. On this note, thank you very much for being with me. If you have any question, any issues, whatever questions you want to ask, information, anything, the link is below the video. I'll drop my email address over there. Just write to me, and then I'll be more than glad to respond, to reply to your questions. Thank you very much, and be blessed.